So fast. And as for the video, guys, I'm really sorry because it seems really choppy, which it is, but you guys have to understand that I am making these videos on the fly. That's why the videos seem choppy, the videos seem like different days, which they are. I can't do everything in one day because it's one of those things where I got work and we just start working right away and then I bust out the camera. So really it all depends on what's going on, but I'm trying to keep you guys in the loop. I'm trying to make it as informative as I can, but I apologize if it's not all there. I just want you guys to see the progress of the car. I'll try to get better at the video part. That way I can incorporate everything together and you guys can enjoy it. All the packages finally came. Obviously it's a different day, but take a look. These are gonna be the new side markers. Smoked, clean. I got the clear bulbs for it too. Or not clear, but silver. I got the fog lamps smoked as well. The headlight, I got the European ZKW, I guess you can say replica, but these have no angel eyes, so much better than what I currently have over there. Spoke side corner lights. I think that's going to give that E36 a much more menacing look. This is the last box I was waiting for. Ooh! These are gonna look so clean on the E36. So they're like OEM, just the top is funk, but the bottom is still the same red. So I'm hoping this has a good finish look. So let's see. I'll show you guys the finished result. Alright guys, so I removed the left fog lamp, and basically there's like a clip over here that you just push back, and when you push it back it just slides right out like this, and you just pull it out, and I disconnected it from that cable over there. So that's what the old one looks like. Yeah, I know it's busted, kind of hard to tell from pictures, but video shows it. And then this is the new one. It's lightly smoked. It looks like it's a really good, copy of OEM. Definitely not OEM, but it looks nice. The fit and finish, great quality, and it's plug and play, and the bulb is already in, so works for me. Side markers, you guys saw the install, but literally it's just this one screw, the older fender, and that's why it's got the older side marker. So I went with this one because it's smoked and it kind of blends it in to the car, so I like this look. So we got the Euro ellipsoids going in. Chris finagling everything, helping cleaning up the wiring, making it look so good. For the headlights, it was this screw that we took out. We took out the side marker, which over here, there's a little plastic clip right over here that you kind of wiggle toward it, and you can push out the side marker. That gives you more leeway in this headlight. And then we just made adjustments, and literally it's very quick and easy to install the headlights. It takes no more than like 5 minutes, but once it's in, looks beautiful. Same goes for the other side. And then as for the fog lamps, I told you guys that the fog lamps, it's literally inside of a tray. So if you have the fender liner off, really easy to work from the back, or just take the bumper off, get the install done, and then reconnect it when you reinstall the bumper. Either way works, but changing the lights on this car is very easy. So for the taillights, it's pretty self-explanatory. You pop these little covers right here. It's just a little spin mechanism right here. And then you have to put all the bulb socket holders in place into the light. Obviously you put the bulb in first, then you install it with the bulb socket into the back. And there's literally only 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that are holding the taillight in, and they pop right out. Same goes for the other side. There's nothing different. The only challenge, I guess you could call it, is the CD player's in the way, so just be a little careful with the plastic cover. Old and new. Old and new. Right now, my God, guys. The trim looks so sexy, glass black. I don't care what anyone says. And the smoke lights, ooh. This corner lights are looking sexy. Hazards on. Reverse. All right. Oh, nice. Alright guys, the next project of the day, we're going to be replacing, well not replacing, there's no front grille, we're going to be putting the front grille on, and I got the brake jump, so the front should be 100%, so now we got to remove the trim, which I put in perfectly, but it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, removed all the trim pieces that need to come out, now we got to take off these two bolts right there on both sides, and then the bumper should kind of slide right out. It's got like a shock, it said, behind it. And then it should kind of just slide right out, and then we'll have to disconnect any wires that we have back there, like the fog lamps, and the rest should be easy. So we got the brake duct in, and now the grill is going on, but all the tabs are broken, so we're gonna have to fabricate something to make it work. And of course, Chris MacGyver is gonna help me out make that happen. Lining it up, getting it all lined up and squared away. We're gonna have to do a little fabrication with the bolt and washer, just because the old tabs are broken by the previous owner. Thank you. And we're just gonna make it clean install. Something that's removable too, so it doesn't look ghetto. Chris never lets me do ghetto work. That's why I like working with Chris. This shit would be slapped on and glued on, boy, if I did it, but Chris, nope. It's gonna be OEM quality, OEM blue. Probably fit better than OEM. Such a small difference, but it makes a huge difference to the front bumper. Get on it. Done. It's smart time. This finished product. Ladies and gentlemen, please.